How to open Robinhood account. Thinking about investing but worried it's complicated? Robinhood makes it easy. This video will show you how to open a Robinhood account in under 90 seconds. First, download the Robinhood app or head to their website. On the sign up page, enter your email address and choose a strong password. Next, provide your full name, date of birth, and social security number. Robinhood needs this to verify your identity, so don't worry, they use secure encryption. Robinhood will ask some questions about your investment experience. Be honest, it helps them recommend suitable investment options. Take a quick moment to review Robinhood's account agreements. These explain the terms and conditions of using their platform. Once you're good to go, you can fund your new account with a bank transfer or link your debit card. With the funds deposited, you're ready to start investing. It might take Robinhood a few days to review your application. You'll receive an email notification once your account is approved. And that's it. You've successfully opened a Robinhood account. Now you can explore the world of investing commission-free. See, opening a Robinhood account is quick and easy. Remember, investing involves risk, so do your research before making any decisions. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Robinhood basics.